Hey friends and clients and associates, reaching out to you today. For most of you, I'm hoping that I'm a familiar face. For others, nice to meet you, huh? But anyhow, David here from Etienne Business Solutions, just basically touching base because as you know, this COVID thing has disrupted just about everything. So normally I would see some of you guys coming through the office as we interact, but the reality is that we have to be staying far from each other. But it's true that I've had the opportunity to speak to and to interact with you, some of you via Zoom, which we still continue to do. But as things sort of settle down and we start to re-emerge, so to speak, I thought I would just use this opportunity to just sort of touch base, show my face again, as they say. And so I hope you all are doing well. Essentially, just touching base to let you know that we're still here, we're still operating, and full service as usual, and we have been using electronic medium, electronic medium to get all our documentation, information flowing. So we're here. I just wanted to bring to your attention today that because a number of individuals have been asking, people have been calling in to see what's happening. Because quite often during the tax season, it is true that all accountants are seen as tax preparers because that's really what people are interested in. So I just thought I would sort of remind us all of the services provided by Etienne Business Solutions. So yes, we do the regular tax preparation and payroll services, bookkeeping services, but our main focus area, if I may say so, are really geared towards a medium, small, medium to large, a large business. So we have services that are particularly carved out for these. So we offer corporate accounting. So where you need to have your financial year-end reports prepared for whatever reason. You may need to have your accounts what we call reviewed, as some of you may know, is just a level of attestation below an audit. Some of you need compilation. So we do corporate accounting. That's what I would like to refer it as, where we really prepare, provide, analyze, and report on your financial activities throughout the year. This whole concept of business development, one can look at it from the very minute to the largest scale possible. So we really focus a lot on business development, where we cater to small businesses just coming up, businesses that are already in operation but may need some new life to be, to be breathed into them, so to speak. And then we have the larger organizations and corporations that, for one reason or the other, are facing natural economic and financial challenges, and think it is a prime time for them to really benefit from some sort of business development advisory services. So we do provide that, and we're here available. And I know you're aware that we provide a 30-minute free business consultation. Now, this business consultation covers just about anything that is of interest or concern to you. So in the event you think you may need some business development services, or maybe you're not even sure if you need it, but there's always this free 30-minute consultation where we sit, we discuss, and we determine whether or not this is something that you would need to consider going forward. Now, under the umbrella of tax preparation services, as I said earlier on, during the tax season, that is January through to April, thereabout, all accountants are known by the public as tax preparers because that is the topical thing. But yes, we do so much more. So under the vein of tax work, there's what we call representation services, IRS representation. And let me say tax representation services, because although in most instances tax representation is done at the IRS level, the federal level, the truth is there are tax representation services that are applicable to state taxes owed, etc., etc. But we really offer IRS represent services to individuals, small business, large corporations, you name it, for profit or non-profit organizations alike. So that is where that's on the tax service side. Then we talk about financial planning, which itself is a very broad area, financial planning, as you can appreciate. I will hasten to say that when it comes to financial planning, as an accountant and as a CPA, usually we are not certified financial planners. What does that mean? We are able to provide you with a wide range of financial planning services. But when it comes to you actually selecting what investment to embark on, what specific securities to buy, etc., that is really left to the expertise of a certified financial planner. But we guide you to tell you what is the best option, the best strategies, the best roads to take as far as your overall financial planning is concerned. And you will appreciate that under the umbrella of financial planning, it is so broad. It has to do with your children's education, it has to do with your retirement planning, it has to do with you thinking of buying a home, you're getting married, you're establishing a family. All these things have financial implications, and so these are all grouped under what we call financial planning. And again, financial planning can be personal financial planning, and it can be business financial planning, all right? Because, you know, they both need their own set of planning so as to be successful. So essentially that's what we're about, and just using this medium to reach out to you, to say, hey guys, how you doing? This is David, Etienne Business Solutions, still around, and wishing for you all the best, because I know that quite a few of us have been through quite a bit of challenge for the past 2.5 years or so. And so hoping that we're even slowly but surely regaining our equilibrium, regaining our stability, and anything that Etienne Business Solutions can do to enhance and to help you on that journey, we're here, and we look forward to hearing from you, to serving you. Okay? So that's about it for now, guys. Thank you for thank you for allowing me to touch base with you, and we'll be talking soon.